How's it going, everybody? This is Crow, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make your very own YouTube channel on YouTube for 2016. This is going to be a basic video and a tutorial to help you guys out and everything that you need to know. So when you guys are on YouTube, you guys are going to notice there is no sign up button. You're going to have to go ahead and click on sign in instead and click on create account right here. Now from here, you guys are going to click on I would like a new Gmail address. Now go ahead and enter your name and enter in a Google username. So this username will be your email, so go ahead and put whatever you want. I'm going to put Karat Code Channel, and then go ahead and put your password, your birthday, your gender. Sometimes you might have to put in your phone number if Google asks you, but for me, they did not ask. So go ahead and click on create account when you're done, and there you guys go. Your new email address is karatcodechannel@gmail.com. Continue to YouTube. Now once you guys are on YouTube, you guys are going to go ahead and on the top right corner of your screen, click that and click Creator Studio. This is where you control everything you do. Click on create a channel right here. Now from here, click on use a business or other name. Do not click create channel, click this button instead. Now where it says name your channel, go ahead and name it to whatever you guys want. I'm going to go ahead and put Karat Code Games. And then where it says select a category, it doesn't matter what you pick. You could put whatever. I'm going to put arts, entertainment, or sports. Click I agree and done. And there you go. Now what you guys are going to do is